So we have to figure out if it's possible to have two rectangles that have the same perimeter but are not congruent. So I'm going to draw a square, and it's going to have sides that are all 4. Now remember, a square is a rectangle. So we have a perimeter of 16 units with that square, which is also a rectangle. And then we could have a really long skinny rectangle where we have ends that are 1 each, and then that would mean that we have to have the other sides be 7 and 7. So this rectangle also has a perimeter of 16 units. Are these two shapes congruent? No, they are not. So if they have the same perimeter, they do not have to be congruent.